He's back up.
He's back up, and he's working eastbound over fences. He just dropped something. That might have been a 33.
Yep.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. The video that I have for today features the Columbus Police helicopter using the FLIR system at night. The incident, which officers were responding to, was a call from someone saying there were 2 cars full of juveniles outside their home with firearms who were threatening someone in their house, trying to get them to come outside and fight. When officers responded to the area, the vehicles fled, and officers observed a couple people run into the woods. That's when the helicopter responded. The officers set up a perimeter around the woods, and then at the direction of the helicopter, walked into the woods. And in this case, with the help of the helicopter, they were able to locate and arrest 2 people who were hiding in the woods who had fled from vehicles that allegedly had firearms. There's not much else to say. So I hope you enjoy this video, I hope you learned something, and I'll talk to you soon.
Copy. We're on the camera, recording.
Ooh, there you go.
That's 7-3 now. First off.
Okay, copy.
3 got them out running off the refugee road across the road to the church. 2 of them.
There, right up there.
I got him.
2 running out towards the church.
Thank you, sir.
That's 15 rifle line up.
Into the field.
I am, sir. Go ahead.
You got 180, 181 rifle RDA, 182 shotgun, 183 is 2 officer shotgun.
Right there.
24 rifle RDA.
We got several cars heading to him. If you're on foot, hold the perimeter.
I copy, sir. Thank you. 9181, just air.
243 chopper. He's from in the woods right there. Shouldn't be too far in.
Felcher.
Turn that number 2 down for me.
We copy.
He bedded down under some trees right there. You go, right there.
I got him. Chopper, I got him on the camera. Slowly move over here. Camera's just giving me fits.
I'll tell him, take their time. He's bedded down.
Take your time. He's bedded down good now.
Done good, dude. He's back up.
He's back up, and he's working eastbound over fences. He just dropped something. That might have been a 33.
Yep.
He's working eastbound. We got it. We're tracking him. Our spotlight is on him.
I wouldn't do that. We're going to lose him.
He's got light colored pants on, dark shirt.
Back bedded down.
He's back bedded down. He's got a dark shirt on, light colored pants. He's back up. He's on the move.
Low crawling eastbound.
He's low crawling eastbound. He's behind a wall right now or something. What is that?
Yeah, there's something he's in.
Behind a tree.
He's under it.
He's up underneath a tree that's down on the ground. Is that him?
Yep, he's like fetal position.
Yeah, burrowed in there, isn't he?
Yeah.
Camera's absolutely horrible.
It is. I mean,
horrible. I can't even get it. He's in a fetal position up against a tree trunk that's laid down. Spotlight is on him.
Tell them to start working north.
Start working directly north.
We got one officer coming east.
Dude, I think you're off of him. Right, yeah.
Right in here. It's a weird angle, dude. If you can OG it. There he is. Officers, you're closing in 10 yards. Officers, you're less than 10 yards moving in. There's a tree trunk right there. Sure that's him?
Yeah.
He's right on the other side of that tree trunk. He's laid down. Right there, officer, creeping through. There he is. To your right.
Yeah, that's him.
Yep. Okay. We got multiple officers here taking one into custody. Everything's going good.
For your copy.
It looked like he dumped a 33 or something out of his pocket when he jumped that fence back to the west.
I'd keep it clear just in case he pulls something.
Chopper, where is that at?
2010.
Oh my god, this camera's horrible.
It is.
Look at that picture, dude.
Right there, bud. Oh, shoot.
Hey, Chopper, direct her back to where he dropped off.
We're looking now on the camera. It's back in the area where my light is right now. Officer to the west by yourself. Go north and west. We're looking. It looked like there's a fence. Officer right here, I got my light on you. Is there a fence right here?
There was something that, I don't know if that's that officer. Yeah.
I don't think so. There's like a clear cut thing right there. If you're talking to me, and then it goes into the woods. No fence.
There ain't a snowball's chancing.
Work north. Officer right here, I got my light on you. Work north right here. About 10, 15 yards inside that woods. Right up in this area where my light is.
Right about here where I'm getting ready to go in.
Yeah, work north, right along there.
That right there that you're getting. Is that?
Yeah, that's an officer. I'm on it.
Dude, there is no way we're gonna get. I mean, it's gonna be
Why is
such
this
a
picture so bad, dude? What the heck is going on? Oh my god. Horrible.
S9, can anybody advise if we're looking for more in the woods or if we can release this perimeter?
Oh, there's still one out, right?
S92. When Chopper gets done looking for that article, I think we might have one more in the woods just south of the Dollar General. Kept hearing movement back there.
Alright, we're still holding it.
I mean, the best chance we have is that clear cut that runs north and south. There's that clearing. If he dumped it in there, you just can't tell.
No. Officers, you're in that area right there. I mean, I would work that. I'd go north just a little bit more, and about 10 yards north up here, and then search that area. Stay in that triangle as you work north, and keep that little bit of distance between you. We'll keep our light there.
Hey, Chopper, how far in here was he when you think he pitched something, or was it right here along the edge of the woods?
It was about not far from where they were.
Yeah, it's not far from where you're at right now. You're in the immediate area. Keep going north, and he laid down. He went over a log, or he went over something that he had to jump over, and something distinctly fell out of his pocket. I'm looking. I don't know, man. What the heck is going on with this? It's absolutely fogged out.
There's.
All right, officers. I'm looking at.
That's in the tree.
Yeah, we're looking hard here, and it's coming up code 4. We're not seeing the heat signature anymore, so could have been nothing.
It was definitely something.
I'm gonna renuke this dude.
Chopper, if you got a minute, if you could check the west end of the woods, we heard a little bit of movement over here a few minutes ago. Kind of west end of the woods, just east of these
Hit us with the light.
dumpsters here, or just west of the dumpsters.
Copy. South of the Dollar General, right?
Yep. There's 2 cruisers parked just north of the dumpsters, and
Yep.
it's going to be that area just east of the dumpsters on the west side of the woods.
Copy. We got you. So the officer's got one secured to the north of Refugee. Everything's good there. We're moving back to check this wooded area south of Dollar General.
Good watch special, hey to be.
Hey,
Hey, when he ran down this clear cut, well, how far did he run north before he cut in the woods?
he ran straight into the woods, and then right in between the 2 little wood lines, that little clearing, and then he cut in about 20, I'd say 20 yards maybe.
What's that? Is it somebody laying down right there?
That's a light. Or,
Yeah, I have a medic
Yeah, that's
out
someone
this way.
that's
for
someone
one that's
laying
not
down.
feeling good out of this
Is it?
fiasco out here on Refugee Road, just next to the church.
hold on, dude. Don't mess with anything. That sure as hell looks like it. Like,
Legs and
yeah. I don't know. It's definitely worth checking. Yeah, that's gotta be. Yeah, that is. That's his head and his... Or is it the water?
can't tell.
That's definitely gotta... That's not water putting that much heat off with this cold.
All right, officers to the west. There's an officer standing north of the 2 cruisers. I want you to walk. You're facing to the east. I want you to walk to your... There's 2 of you together. Walk to your 1 o'clock right now. 10 yards closing in. Come to the right. Straight ahead. 5 yards. What is laying in the grass right in front of you? Keep going in. 5 yards. Is that water or is that a person laying north to south?
At his
That's
feet.
my second one into custody.
Copy, good job.
Good work, dude.
Well, special, that should be all 5.
That's exactly what a little pond of water looks like there.
It does. But, I mean, it was putting too much heat out for this cold.
Excellent job, officers on the perimeter. Great work. Chopper, we're 3 Victor. We got all that on video. Please call us with the rest information.
For your copy.